Hello students, I'm going to work these with you. They're word problems using your calculator that deal with fractions, and some of them have proportions in them. So we're going to work through these together, and I would like for you to work them along with me. I'll probably divide this video into 2 or 3 different parts because it takes so long for it to upload. Okay, let's start with the first one. Of course, you're using your calculator. I hope everybody was able to get a hold of a TI-30XS Multiview, because this is the calculator that you will be using on the HiSET test. If you're familiar with the calculator and know where all the keys are on a calculator, they're all different, of course. It'll make the test easier and make things go a little quicker for you. May come in real handy with fractions. A bolt of fabric contained 25 yards of fabric. 3 pieces of fabric 3 1/2 yards long were cut from the bolt. Next, 5 pieces of fabric 1 1/4 yards long were cut. How many yards of fabric remained on the bolt? Okay, so we're starting out with 25 yards of fabric. We're going to cut off, take out, in other words, subtract 3 pieces that are 3 1/2 yards. So 3 times 3 1/2. Next, we're going to take out 5 pieces of fabric that are 1 1/4 yards long. How many yards of fabric remain on the bolt? Okay, so we could do this separately and this separately and subtract that from 25. This calculator will follow your order of operations. So if we put it in like we have it here, it will work it out for us. Now, instead of parentheses, if you want to put a times sign, you can do that. 3 times 3 1/2, because we have 3 pieces that are 3 1/2 yards long. And here we have 5 pieces that are 1 1/4 yards long, so it would be 5 times 1 1/4. So let's put it in just like this first. To turn your calculator on, press your on and your clear key. You get memory cleared. We're fresh to start now. Make sure you can see it in that window. Okay, 25 minus 3 times 3 1/2. I've got to put in a mixed number. 3, hit my green second key, and the ND key. Above it in green, you have your mixed number. 1, scroll down, half, scroll over. So now I have 25 minus 3 times 3 1/2 minus 5 times 1 1/2, another mixed number. 1, the green second key, your ND key, 1, scroll down, 4, scroll over, and enter. Okay, we get 33/4. Can everybody see that? That's an improper fraction. It's top heavy. We want the mixed number. It's really 33 divided by 4. The calculator will turn this into a mixed number for us. And to do that, we're going to hit our green second key and the key that's right next door to ND. Above it, it has your fraction to mixed number to fraction. We'll click that and we get all kinds of gobbledygook in the window. When I click enter, it changes 33/4 to 8 1/4. So we have 8 1/4 yards of fabric remaining on that bolt. If I multiplied 3 times 3.5. 3 times 3 second ND, 1 scroll down, 2 scroll over, enter. I have 21 halves. I could do the same thing. I can change that to a mixed number also if I want to. The green second key, the key right next to ND, it has a 10 on it. Above it, you see it goes from fraction to mixed number to fraction. When I hit enter, I can see that 21 over 2 is the same amount as 10 and 1/2. So practice with those. That can save you a lot of old school fraction work. Okay, let's work our next one. A stack of books is 21 7/8 inches high. If each book is 5/8 inch thick, how many books are in the stack? We're going to have to divide. So we're going to have 21 7/8 divided by 5/8 to see how many books are in that stack. All right, clear our memory. Let's enter our first mixed number. 21, green second key, ND, 7, scroll down, 8, scroll over, divided by 5/8, 5, ND, 8, scroll over, and enter. There are 35 books in that stack. Or you can back the tape up and play it again if you want to see how to enter those in. Practice entering those fractions into your calculator. Let's clear that and go to our next question. An architect's drawing was drawn, so the scale of 1/2 inch represented 6 feet. What was the actual height of a wall marked 4.5 inches high? Okay, so a drawing is in proportion to the actual size of the wall. Okay, so he has a drawing on a scale of 1/2 inch to every 6 feet. A little 2 digits there, that's my inches sign. 1, that's my feet sign. So 1/2 is to 6 feet as 4 1/2 inches are to how many feet? So I have a proportion. This is to this as this is to this. It's going to be proportional. I have my inches at the top. I have my feet at the bottom. To solve a proportion, I'm going to cross multiply the two numbers that I have that are catty-corner to one another. So let's do that first. 6 times 4 1/2. Clear my memory. 6 times 4, green second key, 1, oops, what did I do wrong? Let me back up. Okay, 6 times 4, green second key, the mixed number key, 1, scroll down, half, scroll over, enter. So 6 times 4 1/2 is 27. My next step is to divide by the number that is catty-corner to my question mark. So I will divide by 1/2. 27 divided by 1/2. Okay? So I already have 27 in my window. Divided by 1 ND, 2, scroll over, Enter. 54. 27 divided by 1/2 is 54 feet. So the actual height of a wall marked 4.5 inches is 54 feet. That makes sense? Okay, I'll be back next time with number 4, and it's going to be a proportional question also. We'll do that one on the next video. See you next time.